This is a fast charger, actually. It's 22.5 watt output charging, and it's got the 3.0 output, which whatever that means, the PD 3.0, and it's the safe speed, and it works for ISO, iOS, and Android. You can see the two cords there. I have been looking for a good power bank, and this is something that's portable that I can have with me where I don't need to carry like tons of cords with me. Just kind of like looking over it, you know, it's small volume, high capacity, aviation standard. How about that? Output has iPhone and Type-C. And looking at this side, you know, it's great for traveling, camping, hiking, fishing, beaches, which I do all of that stuff. Superior safety. It's got overheat protection, high temp protection. You know what? Let's just open it up and check it out. I did kind of open it up and look over it. Just packaged just like that. You get a little set of instructions. Comes with a Type-C charging cable. And looking over it here, it's a 22.5 watt, 12,000 milliamp charger. How awesome is that? That is actually a lot. And look, it's fully charged right out of the box. I have not charged it. Looking at it here, you get two USB outs, USB-A outs coming out there, and a USB-C out. And then you get looks like a lightning port. How cool is that? You got a built-in lightning port and a built-in USB-C. So I will use both of those actually. So let's go ahead and let's try to use the iPhone. I'm at 95%. You know, it's pretty much charged here. As soon as you plug it in, it's instant charging as soon as you plug it. And it's a fast charger, so that's good. Let's go ahead. These are charged, so they might not register, but this uses a USB-C. Yeah, this is already charged. Let me find something. How about my GoPro 360 here? I want to charge it. I can stick this in there. And let's see if it'll charge that real quick. Yep, it started charging almost instantly. That's what it does. It turns itself on. Y'all see right there? It's charging. Yeah, this thing works great. This is exactly what I needed. And just feeling of it here, it's very light. This will fit down inside of a backpack, inside the console of my car. I'm going to have this with me. I love how it has these cords nice and packed away when I go mountain biking, riding, or something like that. I'm carrying this thing with me at all times because I love having portable power with me. So yeah, that's all I got today, everybody, on the Safe Speed portable power bank. See y'all next video.